Tether Gold is set to rise 1.7% by tomorrow per Gov Capital Collector metrics. Let's kick off with a glance at the most recent market activity. Right now, Tether Gold is showing a daily loss of 0.6% and sits close to $4,071. Let's check today's expert outlooks. According to 30 rates, the price could drop to $4,047 by tomorrow, a decrease of about 0.5%. Tether Gold might move up to $4,082.45, according to CoinCodex. That's roughly 0.4% up. Digital Coin Price notes it may edge up to $4,107.96, marking an increase of 1%. A separate forecast by Gov Capital Collector shows Tether Gold might test $4,138.14, a potential increase near 1.7%. And to end, coin data flow sees the price reaching $4,147.43 by tomorrow, which is 2% higher. This forecast stands out as the most profitable. We've heard from all five. Let's continue the analysis. These are the key takeaways from all five forecasts. Looking across the collected predictions, the movement in price is estimated between a decrease of 0.5% and a rise of 2%, depending on the analyst. The final takeaway is that CoinDataFlow expects the top return with 2% jump in value by tomorrow. Reviewing the figures, you could see returns of between $4 and $20 for every $1,000 you invest. From the probability standpoint, CoinCodex's forecast has the highest chance of success at 69.8%. By collecting the forecasts side by side, I've drawn a consolidated consensus outlook. The average forecast keeps Tether Gold around $4,104.60. Let's get into the specifics. According to the consensus outlook, the price shows a 0.9% increase under today's assumptions. To put it another way, your capital could increase by 0.9% as well. With $1,000 invested, the projection might correspond to a gain of about $9. And when it comes to probabilities, the consensus forecast for Tether Gold carries about 64.3% likelihood. At this stage, let's examine the short-term 3-day predictions from analysts. 30 rates anticipates downward movement in the near term. CoinCodex suggests the market will hold its ground. Digital Coin Price anticipates Tether Gold following a bullish course. For the days ahead, also Gov Capital Collector signals further gains. Meanwhile, CoinDataFlow sees the chart tilted toward growth. All forecasts combined show Tether Gold leaning higher over this 3-day horizon. At this point, 80% of analysts expect Tether Gold to move higher, reflecting a clear bullish bias. 5 forecasts were published 2 days ago. Yesterday gave us the results to compare. In the end, yesterday's move brought the price to $4,090.80. The majority of forecasts ended up on